Hello everyone, a quick video in order to share with you and to explain to you a strategy that we did together and shared live through our private trading group on Telegram. So this is our trading group where I share live my trades with complete guidance and instructions from the opening till the exit. So as you can see, that was a trade done just on the 4th November, so recently, and that was done on Microsoft. The idea behind these strategies, and this is our main strategy. In fact, the idea is to do cover the risk position. It means a hedged position covering two scenarios, the upside and the downside, using calls and using puts at the same time. It means in case the stock goes up, we have calls that will cover this and will make profits. And in case the stock drops, we have puts that will cover the scenario and will make profit. So the idea here is to trade this position, the fall and the fall position with the four legs. That would cost $390 with a maximum risk of $150. We were able to make a good return on this strategy. We did 41% and we made $160. So we opened at 5.5 and we closed it. Sorry, we opened at 3.9 and we closed at 5.5. We made a net profit of $160 on the 16th November. So we opened the strategy on the 4th November. We got out on the 16th. So after holding 12 days exactly. The most important thing, it's not only the strategy, but the risk we have behind this type of combo. We call this a combo. So we will be able, in fact, to backtest our strategy and to see how, in fact, the risk was priced that day. So on the 4th, here, all what you need to do is to copy the TUS. The format here is the trade that you can copy and paste to your thinkorswim, and you will be able to get the trade ready to be done. So from the channel here, you can just go to that TUS, you copy from buy, tell LMT, then copy selected text, and here we go to thinkorswim, the desktop platform, on the 4th. So here I can get the data from the 4th around 1 p.m. 30 Eastern time, and here I will be able to paste that trade. The stock was trading at $216, and if we have a look on the charts, we will see that there is nothing really interesting except the RSI, which is turning up, meaning that we will have maybe with a high probability here a potential buy. But in our trading style, we don't in fact rely on only one scenario. We will all the time cover our risk. So here, even if we are bullish, we will cover the downside. So all what you need to do is to go to trade, go to that small button here at the bottom, click, then you will find order entry and saved orders. Then that paste button, you click and you have the trade ready to be done. So all what we need to do is to confirm and send. Of course, here I am back testing the strategy, okay, that I did with the real market conditions. It's called on demand, that you can also use with your thinkorswim. So here, monitor, this is our position here. A quick trick here, just go to these three points here, 3 lines, arrange positions by order, like that. You will see the name of the strategy, or even not the name of the strategy, it will be a simple way in order to close the day you want to close. You just right click here, cancel, create closing order, and select the upper choice here. Okay, the idea here, okay, so we open at 3.9. So what do we expect? What are the scenarios behind that trade? We will go to analyze, and here we will go to the dates. So the dates of the entry, it will be the 4th. So here, if I go to the 4th, so we opened on the 4th. This is the in fact, the scenario we have with our trade. Here you will see these numbers. This is the stock price. Okay, so when the curve is above zero, it means profit. If it's below zero, it means a loss. So here you will find two dates. The purple will be the date if we close today. So here it will be the 4th. And here the date or the last expiry date plus 1 day. So it means after the close of the earliest expiry date. So here it will be the 18th November. So the results, if we wait for the 18th of November, so the result will be shown on the 19th. So here, so the results if we close today, the result if we wait till the end. The stock was at 216 when we traded. So in case the stock goes up, you will see the curve going up and staying up. It means even if the stock moves to 300, to 340, to 350, it's flat. We will get around $114. Okay, so you can just have a look here. Okay, $114. And in case the stock drops, even if it keeps dropping, we will be doing the same thing. Our best result will be in case the stock goes to 230, 203, we will be able to make 259. And if it goes exactly and closes exactly at 231, we will be making 276. What is our risk here? The risk in case the stock does not move at all, 216 within 2 weeks, and we will be losing minus 133. So this is our maximum risk. And you can see that the risk is not likely to happen because we start making profit from our break-evens from 223. So we need only $7 movement up from the stock to start making profit, and below 210, so only $6 down. So which is more than possible with Microsoft. So here, if I move to the 16th, for example, so the idea is to close near to the 18th, the 17th, 16th, you will see that here we want the stock to move just above 220 or below 212 in order to be in the zone of the positive result. And if not, if I close on the 15th, the stock did not move at all, what will be my result? My result will be minus 22. You can see the minus 23 at the bottom left. So my risk will not be that considerable, that high compared to all the probabilities we have with my trade. Either the stock goes up, I will be making profit. The stock goes down, I will be making profits. Okay, so we close it on the 16th. So I will move here, we'll go to monitor. So here we just opened on November 4th. So we'll go to the 16th. I will close it like a few minutes after the open. So let's say 50. Okay, we'll close it even like at 2:15. Sorry, at 9:15, 9:45, 9:50. So we made $160. This is exactly what you can see here. Okay, so now the strategy costs 5.45. We were able to close at 5.50. The same, we share the closing order. Okay, so here Microsoft, we will see that we try to close at a better result, a better price. So we started to close at 5.90. Well, it didn't go there. See here, the closing order is also shared. So here I will try to close it at 5.90, but it was not trading there. So here you go, the same here, order entry, you paste. Okay, so here it was at 5.50. That's what we did. So, or you can just click here to unlock, so it will match with the 5.55. Confirm and send. Okay, so here it closes at 5.56, and it made a nice profit here, $170. So 160, 100 170. And the most important thing was the risk, the low risk we had with our strategy. Only, in fact, it's $150 that was our maximum risk, but this if we waited till the end of the expiry date. So we expect to close few days before. Like that, we will do a small loss in case the stock does not move at all. And here we made 41%, and it was not the only trade we did. We did very nice trade the same way, and we will keep doing these trades. I hope that this would be helpful. Don't trade just to trade, but trade smart. These strategies are very advanced. They are based on advanced parameters. They will not happen every day. You need to be patient, but they will happen. This is the only way that you can use in order to build your portfolio in a safe way. Either the stock goes up or the stock goes down.